The waters off Jindo and the city of Ansan are special disaster areas. The government has pledged rescuers and families the support they need. The transcript between Jindo Vessel Traffic Service and the Sewol crew has been released to the public for the first time. And it was a solemn Easter weekend in Korea. Churches across the nation marked the holiday with somber services, praying for the passengers of the Sewol.
Hello and welcome to News Today on KBS World. It's Monday, April 21st. I'm Luke Clary. It's been 6 days since the tragic sinking of the Sewol ferry. The government has declared special disaster areas in waters off Jindo Island and the city of Ansan, where the high school students that were on the Sewol ferry come from. The declaration will make it easier to get rescuers and families what they need moving forward.
These are the messages of hope that fill the windows of the grocery store owned by a missing student's family. The parents closed the store to go down to the accident site in the hope of finding their son. At this point, it's hard to say how long the store would be closed. More than 600 family members of the missing passengers had to leave their jobs. The government had declared the city of Ansan in Gyeonggi Province and Jindo County as special disaster areas. Prompt assistance from the central government was in dire need, as the psychological and physical damages from the accident are mounting in these areas. Victims of the ferry accident are now able to receive administrative, financial, and tax supports for emergency disaster relief measures. Costs for rescuers, medical treatment, and compensation will be subsidized, and financial and goods donations will be made possible. The government will probably first pay out the restoration and compensation money and then request the right to indemnity from the party responsible for the accident. This is the 7th declaration of special disaster area for a catastrophe other than natural ones. The first one was the collapse of Sampung department store in 1995. The government plans to hold a central disaster and safety headquarters meeting to decide a set of detailed support criteria.
More than 200 ships and over 600 divers are continuing their search and rescue efforts off the coast of Jindo, where the ill-fated ferry sank last Wednesday. Let's take a look.
More than 200 ships have been mobilized for the operations for the search of missing passengers of the Sewol. In the operation, some of the workers attempt to enter the doomed ferry, while others continue to search for missing passengers within a radius of 1.5 kilometers from the Sewol. The giant flat vessel is a barge. Divers don't need to move to rubber boats, as aboard the barge they can take a break before going back in the water. Large naval vessels are also mobilized to aid in the efforts. Helicopters drop supplies onto rescue ships, the Cheonghaejin and the Pyeongtaek. On the ships, divers prepare for their next entrance into the water. The naval vessel, the Dokdo, serves as a military control tower. The Coast Guard is at the helm of the search and rescue operations. Coast Guard vessels are desperately working to prevent the spread of an oil leak from the sunken ship. The Coast Guard's high-speed boats are patrolling the sea to spot passengers who might have floated out of the ferry. Navy, Coast Guard, and private fishing boats are also tossing out giant nets and reeling them back in an attempt to find bodies of passengers who are washed out to the sea.
The homepages for the Korean Coast Guard and news media are flooded with suggestions for rescue and salvage operations. Some suggestions are too far-fetched to be considered seriously, but others have proven useful.
The blinding lights from these boats light up the accident area. These squid fishing boats were sent to the site on Saturday night. The lights have been a big help to the search and rescue efforts since they last longer than flares. The idea to use squid boats came from the missing passengers' families.
여선이나 선망같이 옆을 많이 그런 것들이 여러분들이 소중하게 아이디어를 제시한 부분도 있고.
When it was difficult for divers to break the windows because of the high water pressure, one civilian diver suggested using a pickaxe.
수차례 진입 시도 끝에 특수 제작된 손도끼를 이용하여 유리창을 깨고
Various ideas about rescue and salvage operations are flooding online sites. Many of them are far-fetched, but some of them are quite feasible, such as using a barge to facilitate the diving operation. The families of missing passengers are urging the authorities to check out the suggested methods.
해경에서는 창조적으로 방법을 제시를 해서 한 게 아무것도 없고요. 우리가 제시한 방법대로 그대로 모방을 해서 한 거예요.
Rescue authorities remain cautious, but they need to assess the suggested ideas to find effective ones that could bring the breakthrough in the rescue operation.
As investigators seek answers to why the Sewol ferry sank, transcripts of the communications between the ship and the Jindo Vessel Traffic Service are invaluable. But why was the transcript released so late?
The transcript of the ferry Sewol's communication with the Jindo Vessel Traffic Service was made public 5 days after the ship sank off the southwestern coast of the nation last Wednesday. The Sewol contacted the Jindo VTS for 31 minutes on April 16th. A look into the communication is very crucial in the identification of the cause of the ship sinking. However, the Coast Guard had not disclosed the transcript. The Coast Guard keeps and manages the transcripts between the Jindo VTS's communication center and the ships. So, there are speculations that the Coast Guard had not disclosed the transcript of the communication between the Sewol and the Jindo VTS to avoid its responsibility. It would be far easier to find out why the ship capsized and sank if the transcript had been disclosed earlier. However, the Coast Guard declined to explain why it didn't make the transcript public earlier into the investigation.
Well, now that we do have the transcript between Jindo Vessel Traffic Service and the Sewol crew, we can gain some perspective on what happened in the ship's final moments before sinking.
The Sewol is tilted and starts to go under. The ferry asks the Jindo Vessel Traffic Service for help. The nearest civilian ship approaches the sinking ship to rescue passengers, but cannot get any nearer because the ferry is already severely tipped. The civilian ship tells the ferry to evacuate the passengers, but the Sewol's public announcement system keeps telling them to stay put in their cabins. Then the Sewol sharply slants to the left. The passengers are thrown down to the slanted side, making it very difficult for them to move about. But at this moment, some of the crew members abandon their designated posts and gather at the pilot house where it's easier to evacuate. The VTS keeps ordering evacuation for the passengers, but the Sewol merely continues to ask whether rescue is possible. Commercial ships arrive to help the sinking vessel, and the passengers, sensing danger, attempt to escape from the ship. This is when all the crew members have left the ship and communication with the VTS has been cut off. Abandoned by its captain and crew, the ferry sank into the water with hundreds of passengers still inside.
It's been determined that the first rescue boat of only 2 to be deployed was launched at 9:14 a.m. Questions remain regarding who was on that first boat.
The Dula Ace was the closest vessel to the sinking ferry. The Jindo Vessel Traffic Services Center asked its crew to help the sinking Sewol. When the Dula Ace approached the Sewol close enough to see it with the naked eye, its crew spotted a lifeboat sailing away from the site of the disaster. That happened at 9:14 a.m., which was 26 minutes after a loud sound was heard and the ferry began to sink. An announcement ordering the passengers to stay in their rooms had also been made. So who boarded the lifeboats? Only 2 of the 44 lifeboats were launched. Chances are high it was either the captain or other crew members who got into the lifeboat first, as most of the passengers didn't know how to deploy the lifeboats. Several people have testified that crew members, including the captain, escaped first. There is also evidence supporting their statements.
아홉시쯤에 탈출했다가 그러면 애들이 막 들어대요. 막 개새끼 하는 얘기.
The captain and 2 crew members of the Sewol have been arrested on charges of negligence of duty and violation of the Seafarers Act. The investigators have yet to disclose the exact time when the captain and some of the crew members escaped from the ship.
A big barge and submarines have provided some much-needed assistance in the search efforts. Nevertheless, some people question why it's taken so long to get them on site.
Divers struggle to climb aboard a rubber boat after their underwater mission. Even on board, they can't fully rest because of the rough waves and must move to a bigger ship. A big barge deployed to the scene yesterday to solve this problem. The barge is moored next to the buoy, marking the sinking location to facilitate the diver search missions. But the families of missing passengers have been asking the authorities to send in a barge since 5 days ago.
부탁을 했는데도 그렇게 안 해서 저희 학부모님들 자비로 바지선 투입하고 민간인 잠수부를 투입해서 지금 이런 현상이 벌어졌습니다.
Authorities finally deployed last night a large remotely operated underwater vehicle, which can withstand the strong currents in the accident site. It was borrowed from the U.S. Navy. But critics point out that air tubes to supply oxygen to the divers directly from a ship to allow longer dives, and the lights from the squid fishing ships should have been sent to the scene much earlier.
배경에서는 전체적인 마스터 구조에 대한 마스터 플랜이 없습니다. 그냥 무작위적으로 들어가서 그냥 건져 오고 먹겠단 말은 밖에 안 합니다.
The search would gain speed now that these equipment have been stationed, but the government has already lost trust from the missing passengers' families with its slow decision-making.
The number of ferry passengers on the docks has sharply fallen since the ferry disaster. Maritime travel agencies are bracing for a blow as summer approaches.
The waiting room of a ferry terminal is deserted. Ticketing areas are also empty. This is quite unusual for a ferry terminal, which is normally packed with some 4,000 passengers on the weekends. Even those who end up traveling by ferry can't help feeling anxious.
아무래도 배 탄다 보니까 걱정은 하는데요. 그래도 사건이 있으니까 신경 쓰이는 건 있죠.
After the ferry disaster, more attention is being placed on rescue gear more than ever.
선박 자체에 아무래도 너무 노후되고 이런 것들은 아무래도 성능이 좀 떨어지거나 그러면 옛날 것이기 때문에 공항보드 같은 게 있긴 있을 텐데 너무 오래돼서.
Only some 150,000 passengers used ferries last weekend, which is 35% less than usual. People also rushed to cancel their cruise trip reservations, resulting in the maritime travel industry to see plunging revenues.
The high school students who were fortunate enough to escape the ferry disaster with their lives still suffer emotional damage. Professional help is on the way.
The 73 students who had been rescued from the Sewol ferry are still undergoing hospital treatment. Some of them are showing signs of improvement. They take strolls and meet with their friends, but it's too early to rest assured yet. Many of the surviving students are in fact suffering from the aftermath of the ferry sinking. 16 of them have depression symptoms, while 28 are showing the signs of anxiety. Those who are suffering from insomnia and anxiety have been prescribed medication. 7 of the students are receiving one-on-one counseling. Doctors have also banned unrelated persons from visiting the children to help them regain emotional stability. Journalists and some of the visitors are also banned from entering the hospital wards.
이 스트레스로 인해서 증상이 더 악화될 수도 있습니다. 본인과 관련된 친구, 가족들까지 그런 부분들의 영향을 받을 수 있기 때문에 상당히 조기에 개입해서 치료하는 게 중요합니다.
The doctors also warn that students who are not on board the ferry and even members of the local communities can also become affected psychologically.
괜히 막 눈물 나고 막 우울하고 한 이틀 동안 손이 떨린 게 멈추지 않았고 자꾸 막.
Tanwon High School is to resume classes in the middle of this week. The school will deploy therapists to help the students, teachers, and parents cope with the disaster.
The world shares in Korea's grief over the Sewol ferry sinking. Heads of state and international stars and athletes have offered their condolences and support.
Here's an image of giant hands scooping up the ill-fated ferry, the Sewol. Many people across the world are posting images online, praying for South Korea and the passengers aboard the Sewol.
That's all I can say. I will pray for the missing kids.
Russian President Vladimir Putin offered deep condolences to the families of the passengers and to the South Korean people. Heads of 45 countries and 3 international organizations have sent messages of condolence over the ferry sinking. Foreign celebrities have also tried to reach out to the families of the victims. Pau Gasol, a professional basketball player with the LA Lakers, tweeted, "All my support to the people in South Korea, and especially to the families of everyone involved in the ferry's tragedy." Per Mertesacker, the center for England's football club Arsenal, also tweeted that he hopes for a miracle. English child singer Connie Talbot announced that she will donate all the proceeds from her concert in South Korea to the victims of the ferry sinking. She's scheduled to hold a concert in South Korea next week. The world is sharing South Korea's grief and shocks over the catastrophe. Many people are holding on to the hope that more survivors will be found.
Many observers of this tragedy say they're ashamed of the way adults on the ship behaved. Sadly, it was the adults on the ship that were responsible for the safety of so many young lives. Those adults failed.
The captain of the Sewol was among the first to escape from the sinking ferry. Passenger safety and work ethics didn't matter to him. He even failed to issue the order to escape. The captain abandoned scores of children and safely arrived on land in a lifeboat.
그 당시는 구조선이 아직 도착이 안 해서 그랬던 겁니다.
The government, which is responsible for the public safety, was at a loss. Its first response was inadequate, to say the least, resulting in a delay in rescue efforts. The government was even unable to figure out the exact number of passengers on the sunken ferry.
구조, 이송하는 과정에서 구조자의 유사 성명 기재 등으로 동일인이 중복집계된 데에 따른
When the ship began to sink, the students obeyed every word they were told. They acted as they had been taught to do. They followed the adults' order not to move. The students stayed in their rooms waiting to be rescued. They even encouraged one another and shared their life jackets.
창우가 그렇게 되니까 창우가 다른 애 구명조끼 안 입은 애한테 그냥 넘겨줬다고 하던데.
In a matter of fact, the students even helped the elderly passengers escape from the ferry first.
학생들이 구명 옷을 나눠주면서 그 어머니 아버지들한테 먼저 탈출시키고 우리가 탈출하겠다.
The students stayed in their spots because they trusted the grown-ups. They eventually became trapped in the ship.
말 잘 들은 애들만 지금 희생당한 그런 꼴이잖아요. 말 잘 들으면 안 되겠다라는 그런 말을 우리 딸들도 하더라고요.
그 어른의 한 사람으로서 정말 그 뭐라고 책임이라고 할까 뭐라고 할까 이게 정말 어떻게 말할 수 없이 미안하죠.
The poor judgment of grown-ups who are responsible for the lives of hundreds of students resulted in this irreversible damage.
It was a solemn Easter weekend in Korea. Churches across the nation marked the holiday with somber masses and services, praying for the passengers on board the Sewol.
Catholics gather at a church in Seoul. The church was newly built on the site where the nation's first Catholic Mass was held 219 years ago. Sunday's Mass was supposed to celebrate and rejoice the resurrection of Jesus. The Cardinal began his Easter homily with a prayer for the families of the missing passengers aboard the Sewol.
특별히 그들의 부모님과 가족들의 아픔을 하느님께서 위로해 주시기를 기도합니다.
51 Protestant factions held a joint Easter service for the first time in 3 years. Some 10,000 people prayed in earnest for the return of the missing passengers.
눈물로 기도하오니 간구하오니 바람을 꾸짖어 풍랑을 잠재워 주신 주님이여 저들을 살려주세요. 살려주세요.
Christians celebrated Easter in a solemn atmosphere, remembering the Sewol passengers and their families.
다른 부활 대축일보다 좀 마음이 좀 굉장히 무겁습니다. 너무 가슴이 아프고 그래서 한편으로는 제가 좀 많이 기도하고 있습니다. 무사 생활을.
In front of the gymnasium where the families are gathered in Jindo, Easter services and masses were held in small tents. The families of missing passengers desperately prayed for a miracle on Easter.
That's it for this edition of News Today. We'll see you again at the same time tomorrow. Have a nice day.